Hello, my name is Richmond, and I'm here to help you digitize in Embird. Please let's start with today's lesson. Today's tutorial is on how to use the Zoom tool on your toolbar. Now, to use your Zoom tool, you go to the third tool here on your left side, then you click on it. You can zoom in with your left click, or you can zoom out with your right click. You can zoom in to a specific area on your work space. You can do this by clicking and holding on your left button. Then you leave your left button to zoom in. There is another way to also zoom in and zoom out. You can use your scrolling wheel on your mouse to zoom in and also zoom out. You can scroll up to zoom in, or you can scroll down to zoom out. That is all for today's tutorial. Bye bye.